Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the camera and getting straight to the focus controls. Do not wander in general settings. First, identify whether the box is AF, AE, or a face detection guide. This matters because each is disabled differently. Once you locate the camera's overlay settings or advanced options, tap autofocus or face detection. If you're on Android, check camera app-specific toggles. If on a mirrorless or DSLR, open the menu to the AF/AE display items. Now you'll remove the focus box itself by changing that specific overlay toggle. This prevents accidental disabling of autofocus. If it's a third-party app, go into its camera settings and turn off overlays or focus indicators. For standalone cameras, navigate to display or screen info and set AF points to hidden or minimal. Once done, test by half-pressing the shutter or tapping focus. If the box still appears, you may have multiple overlays enabled, so turn off each option one by one. Finish by restarting the camera or app so the UI refreshes. This ensures the focus box really disappears. Make sure to verify both photo and video modes because some apps keep separate overlays per mode. If the box persists, reset camera app preferences or restore camera firmware. This clears hidden overrides. One key troubleshooting tip: if your focus box is hardware locked or part of a custom ROM, update firmware or reinstall the official app. Backing up custom settings first will save time and frustration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.